shopped around. We talked to a few other folks. It was really not a contest. Once we started to talk, from the first time that you came over, and I realized that this wasn't just about a business deal. And I like to build relationships. And you're not a sales guy. At the end of the day, you're a relationship builder, and I think we all are taking big risks when we make an investment like a roof, and you need to know that you trust the person that's going to come and put a new roof on your house. The more that we spoke, the more that I realized how particular you are, and being a technician and being in a technical field myself, I've really related to the level of detail and the attention to detail that you pay to your craft. We're just in awe. I think more impressive was the fact that you're not just a churn and burn roofer. You're a craftsman. You actually had custom pieces manufactured, because the standard stuff that the Joe Schmo down the road can't even buy is not adequate. You take it upon yourself to say, no, we're gonna do this differently. We're gonna differentiate ourselves by being the best in the industry. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your attention to detail and doing such a great job for us.